the damage on the Tahoe is obviously why this video is being made, but I'm pretty upset about it, just because this is, I mean, obviously this is what I do, you know. The Tahoe is my thing, so getting it messed up in the front kind of like just ruins more than the looks to me. It's the mood and everything. You know, I can't stand seeing my truck messed up. Good thing is, well, I guess I need to tell you, I got brake checked in a traffic circle and I just didn't stop, so that's what I have. It got the front bumper right here. You got the grill a little bit, which I believe the grill is fine, just has to be repainted. Underneath, I thought there was a lot more damage, but it appears that I'm gonna get lucky. This piece got hit, which I'm gonna cut that off anyways. There's some small frame bracket pieces right there that are bent, and obviously the bumper's ruined. But other than that, I think it'll be back to normal soon and be back on my way. Now Jordan's gonna have to recut it. Jordan cut my bumper originally to make the tires and wheels fit, because obviously, let's be real, these 38s aren't fitting with a 9-inch lift without cutting. I think we'll be all right though. Maybe a week or two I'll have it back right. Nothing like a Monday morning when you pull up and there's an any level lift in the driveway. This is the truck that we finished like 2 weeks ago, and I haven't really done much with it as far as video or content, but it really did turn out nice. I got to go back and forth with the customer on the color of the any level lift. This red is really, really nice. I like it a lot. I can't think of the name of it right now off the top of my head, but it's beautiful. This is the color that Alex is going to use on his truck too. It's got really, really nice flake in it. It was a recommendation from Aaron at Any Level Lift. He said that he'd done a couple like that and it turned out really nice. This is another local person. Turns out all 3 of the Any Level Lifts we've done have been local, which is pretty cool, but I get to still see them all the time. This is Alex's truck. He's about to pull the wrap off of it, and it's gonna go back silver. He's doing a new lift kit, new wheels and tires. Everything's gonna be silver and red. He has a Magouilles currently, but it's about to come off, and he's gonna get the one like I have, the SST kit with the face plates on it. It's gonna look really good. Hey guys, I also wanted to let you know that we have more forged wheels inside our showroom than pretty much any shop I can name right now. So if you know anybody that's looking for a set of forged wheels or something like that, we're honestly very, very cheap compared to everybody else on these. So if you need anything like a Chevy 6-lug, Chevy 8-lug, Ford 8-lug, Dodge 8-lug, everything's in stock. And you can come and get these today. You don't have to wait 8 to 12 weeks or whatever it usually takes, and you get them cheaper. So just let me know if there's anything that you don't see on the floor that you want to order, because I can get it quicker than anybody as well. JTX is right here. This is a nice set of chambers. I really like those. Those are for a Chevy 6-lug. Then I got a set of 8-lug silencers, and then a set of 6-lug melees. This set of Akimbos is sold right here, but there is another set of 26x14s in stock like that. Also, we have some of the Hostile forge wheels. Hostle's a great company. These are really good price too. We sell a whole lot of this polished one right here that you see. This is the Savage. It just looks so, so good. Extra set of Forgiatos here for a 8-lug GMC or Chevy truck, 11 and up. This is pennies on the dollar to what they normally cost, so grab a hold of those as soon as you can. We also recommend, with these big rims like this, there's a tire company called Fury. You guys have seen it in the videos. They make more options than anybody. Although I wouldn't say that they're Nitto Toyo quality, these tires are somewhat close and they do good. I have them on my own vehicle. You know, you see it on there. 37, 14, 50, 26. This is a really good size. You're going to see a comparison here in just a second, but 37, 13, 50, 26 has been the most common size the last few years for us, and it stretches a little bit on the 14-inch wheels, so we use the 1450 instead of the 1350 now. There's the Gladiators that I had on the Tahoe. Those are still up for grabs for about $1,600. And here's the two sizes different. They're both 37s. One's just a 1450 and one's a 1350, so take your pick. They have the two different Fury sidewalls to pick from. The 1350 has the more blocky style like this, and then the 1450 would have the more compact and clean sidewalls, as I call it. Some sizes have one, some sizes have the other, but both look good. So yeah, hit me up. 678-994-9180 is the shop number. Jake at Southern Tire 4x4 is my email. .com, sorry. And then if you need to get a hold of me on Instagram, it's at JTAdig or at Southern Tire. So thank you. So Mikey finally put some 16 wides on his Tahoe, so I want to put it in the video. This is really cool. It's the 35 15 50 26 Venom Power RT. This is a 26 by 16 Hostile Dagger. Looks really nice. Flat black powder coated with the McGoy's lift. Really sits nice. Well, we drove all the way to Orange Beach and back on the 28th. Everything went fine, no issues. Thank God, no breakdowns. Didn't run out of gas. Everything's still in one piece. We're good.